I remember after school and on weekends, if I was old enough to hold a broom, I was sweeping the shop. I've got a lot of history behind me. Every morning I wake up and I'm ready to come to work. I'm ready to meet with customers. It's a life experience and I've enjoyed it.
Geographically, we're probably about 45 minutes southwest of New Orleans. In the summer, it will get up to 100 degrees. When you get to 95% humidity, that's when it's really bad. So it's very important to have a product that will stand up in that kind of condition. With P2G Premium, it's a lot thicker, it's got a lot more strength to it. The cutoff string is great. And even if you gotta make a seam, it's very pliable. The Sika product that we're using has a great decking where when the windshield sets, the weight of the windshield is not pushing it all the way down to the pinch wheel. So the decking will keep it where you want it and give you enough to put it where you need it.
With this P2G Premium, it's primerless-to-glass. It makes a cleaner job.
Every job, you're probably taking it away about 4 to 5 minutes from each job, not having to prime a windshield. So when you've done 10 to 11 cars, it's very helpful.
Sika to me was a company that I cherish because of their technology and the technical support. To this day, we have zero problems. We have none at all. I really believe in the brand. I think the brand is fantastic. I can go home at night knowing that the work I did today is going to be okay.